Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a haul for you from Walmart. I think Walmart's the only store. You'll see in the video description though if there was other stores. Okay, I'm lying right now. There's one thing from Target. So I forgot to show you guys this in my other video that I just had filmed, which was a collective haul. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with these, but every year, I guess Target does this thing with these little pockets that you can get in the, you can get them in the Bullseye Playground, and there are these adhesive square label pockets, and I could not find them, and a lot of people were saying they couldn't find them in the store. And so I went on to the Bullseye Playground, I went on to Target website, and they have a section for Bullseye Playground. They don't have everything that you would find in the Bullseye Playground on the site, but they did have these. They had this entire set, which it comes with, let's see, 1, 2, does it say how big these are? Doesn't say. They're called Crystal Clear Peel and Stick Organized. They're stickers. They're $3 a piece, and there's 20 in each one. So I got 1, 2, I got 4. Now you had to, this set came together, so it wasn't like I was able to just order these in singles. It was like this whole set together was $12. And it also came with these pockets, which I thought were cool. So it's got these like skinny rectangle ones. And then it also comes with these ones right here. I don't know what that is. That's like a piece of plastic. So I thought that was kind of cool. I was able to get some of those little ones, and then I also got these kind of odd shaped ones. But it shows you like, you can stick this on the side of like a container or whatever. Same thing with this one. But you could also like put these inside of like journals and books and stuff. And I think there's like a lot of things that you can do with those. So I wanted to share those. I'll link them below because I don't know how easy they'll be to find. So I'll just link them below in case you're interested. So that was that one thing I forgot from Target. And then I went to my Walmart to see if they had any Halloween stuff, because I checked a couple weeks ago and they didn't. Well, this time I found some, so I was really excited. So I just wanted to share what I found with you in case you know, you've been wondering what Walmart's going to be carrying this year. So one of the first things I got was these super cute treat bags. They say Boo, and I love the colors that they used on these. So these are just like Ziploc bags by Wilton. And then my husband got me this, which I thought was so sweet. This is called the Halloween Party Favors Pack. It was $4.98, comes with 50 pieces, and it comes with these spiders, with bats and rats in all different colors, and then it also comes with skeletons and snakes. So those are fun. I'll probably put some of these in my Happy Mail, but I'm also going to be doing some trick-or-treater bags, so I'll probably put some of those in there too for the kids. And let me get these other bags. I also got this for Happy Mail, so I got some of the Hallmark Tissue. I like that it had the Halloween colors, so I got one of those. And then I found these placemats, which I thought were super cool. So they're like giant spider webs, so you could totally cut it out and do different projects with them. They were $1.98. There's 8 pieces. Then what else did we get? They had this really neat like big cardboard, I guess you would call it, like display with a bunch of fun little Halloween things in it. So I grabbed some things out of there. So I got these fun curly straws. So they're like black and green and purple and teal. And I'm doing the Hey Pumpkin collection, so I'm doing Hey Pumpkin and I'm doing Frank Garcia 31. So some of those are going to be really good in that Hey Pumpkin collection if I send those out with Happy Mail and stuff. I got these mini composition notebooks. There's 3 of them. I think they were only like 88 cents, which is such a good deal because that's less expensive than Dollar Tree. And then they have these pretty spider rings. And these were 98 cents. They also had them in purple. And they had these cute little glitter foam stickers. So I got the pumpkin. It has pumpkins and little skeletons and cute little cats and little witches. I got these. I thought these were so cute. These will be good for the little trick-or-treater bags. These are, we don't get that many trick-or-treaters, so I mean, I'll probably like give away like 5 trick-or-treater bags. Seriously, we don't get that many. But these could also be cute and Happy Mail. These are crayons. And so each one is a different color of a crayon. It's so cute. So look at that. There's purple and then the blue and everything. That's so fun. Those were $1.98. And then they had these in that section. These will probably go in Happy Mail. And these, I think this is so funny that these are called mini jumbo pens. Yeah, that's kind of a contradiction there. But I thought these were super cute. So we've got that. Oh my gosh, this ghost has a mustache and a goatee. That's hilarious. So those are fun. And I just got a pack of white spiders because I hadn't seen any white spiders anywhere. So I thought that was cool. And I also got these pencils for the trick-or-treater bags. And I'll probably put some in Happy Mail or swaps or whatever. These are called party pencils. They're $1.98. And they have all sorts of cute little designs on them. Then, let's see what else. Oh, they also had some erasers. So I got a pack of the erasers. So little Dracula, little witches, cats, pumpkins. So cute. And how much were these? These were also just 98 cents. Then I got some little mini clothespins. There's 24 of them. I don't know how much those were though. They don't have a price on them. Oh, I also got these bracelets, which are really cute. These little yellow skulls, or I'm sorry, orange skulls. And I went over to the ribbon section just to see if they had anything like Halloweenish or what have you. And I got a couple of things over there. I got these cute little bows. And I got, what else? Oh, while I was over there, that's where like the glitter and everything is. I got this pretty cobalt blue glitter mix, and then I got this pretty like purple and blue glitter mix. Like I need glitter like I need a hole in the head, but they were just so pretty. I was like, oh, okay, fine, I'll get them. You know how it goes, you guys. And then I got some black chain because I want to make a charm dangle for Halloween. So I got some black chain, and then the ribbons that I picked up are right here. I also got some lace and stuff. So I got this pretty lace, and this was by Simplicity. Then I got this ribbon by Ofray. And I got these cute pink ones. I thought these were super pretty. These would be pretty for Valentine's Day. And then I got this little teeny tiny little black pom-pom trim. I thought that was super cute. And I got this. Let me see if I can, yeah, I can take it out. Look how cute this one is, you guys. I think that's so pretty. And it's stretchy. That one's also by Simplicity. Oh, I didn't show you. This is by Gwen Studios. Both of these are by Gwen Studios. Then I got this, which I got it because I want to do like a black swan for Halloween, and I wanted some like feathers, but I didn't like the feathers that they had. And then I found this trim, and I thought you could cut it and like put it behind your swan to like make it like it has feathers. So this was also by Simplicity. So there's that. And then I have another bag. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I have to show you this PJ. I'm not going to be able to hold it up like fully, but I have to show you it. It is so cute. My husband spotted this and he was like, I gotta get that for you. It's so cute. So you guys know that I love like little woodland creatures. Well, when we were walking by the pajama section, he saw this, and let me just like fold it up so I can show it to you. It's so cute. It's only $6.44. And it's just like a super soft PJ. So it's little animals that are they're camping. So you've got like little raccoons like laying in hammocks, and you've got rabbits poking out of trailers, and then you've got like a deer and a fox roasting a marshmallow. There's an owl poking out of a what's it called, out of a tent. And did I get everything? Let me see if I got everything. They're just so cute. I just had to share them with you because they were just so adorable. Yeah, I think I got everything. Anyway, so cute. It was in the pajama section, and they had like small, I want to say, all the way up to like I think 3X large. And yeah, so cute. I can't believe they were only $6.44. So got those. Then let's see what else is in here. Oh, I had to get some more of this. This is the tape I like to use when I'm shipping my packages. It's the Duck Easy Start. So I got some of those. Also got some of these cute little bat rings, and I love the colors that they came in. Oops, sorry. How much were those? Those were 98 cents. And then I got this gold glitter spray. Never tried that before, but I saw it when I was in the glitter section. I was like, And I also got some Gorilla Glue sticks. This is my favorite hot glue, and I was almost out. And oh, two more things from Amazon I want to show you guys that I got. So, hold on, let me pull it out. I've already used it, but I saved the packaging so I can show it to you guys. So you guys might remember in a previous video, I showed you that I got the magnetic plate, the standard size magnetic plate. I love it. Oh my gosh, why didn't I get that a long time ago? So it's for my Sizzix Big Shot machine. I ended up getting the extended magnetic platform. So it's the long one. These are so awesome. Like, I don't have to tape down my dies anymore. I can just put them down and they stick. And so I'm absolutely loving that. Got it on Amazon, and it's the exact same price as other stores, but I don't have to pay for shipping, and it comes in like 2 days. So I'll link them both below so you can check them out. But yeah, I love those. Then one more thing I got from Amazon was I wanted to get some stitched fishtail dies. So I found these from Elizabeth Craft Designs. They're not quite what I wanted. I wanted like some fatter, shorter ones, but I didn't read the description very well. I'll definitely use them, but that's what they look like. And I had cut some of them out, and they're really nice. I mean, I just wanted them to be a little bit wider and shorter, but yeah, let me show you. Let me show you what they cut out, and then I'll show you the dies. Oops, I think I have them flipped the wrong way. I want to show you the stitching. So the stitching's really nice on them, and I'll tell you about how long they are. So that's what they look like. That's what they cut out. And the longest one is about 6.5, and the shortest one, and this is in length, the shortest one's about 4.25. And then width-wise, they're like, what are they? This one's almost, the big one's almost 2 inches width, and the smallest one is about a 1/2 inch. And here's what they all look like. There's all the dies. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to check the description box. I'll put the links for you below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.